Okay, so you can see that it didn't take very well on the levers, especially this one. No, obviously I'm not going to put these on the bike like this. Anodize it is a wonderful way to protect pieces, but sometimes you need to get rid of it. Whether it's faded, you want to re-anodize it for painting, or in this case, you've tried to anodize a partially anodized part, or at least something that was anodized before, and then you half removed it in polishing it and need to get rid of it, blah blah blah. We're going to get rid of anodizing. Now to do this, you need something called caustic soda, which happens to be in oven cleaner. This is the Mr. Muscle variety. You read over on the back and it tells you this is really horrible, contains caustic soda, don't stick it in your face. So we've got a resistant container here. This is, I think, HPFE or something. It's what the sulfuric acid came in. It's resistant. And some gloves because you don't want it on your skin. Now you should probably have a respirator or something on, blah blah blah. You know, be a bit sensible. I'm not going to spray this in here and then stick it over my face. So we'll shake up some of this, drop those levers in there, give them a good coating and let them sit. So 25 minutes on, and we'll pull them out. I stuck the wire in just to see if we can get any of the anodizing off there, maybe use it again. And do some fishing. Where are you? Some soapy water to just give them a scrub down. And you can see it's not very black anymore. If it focuses. Not very black anymore.